Best soldering stations. Are you looking for the best soldering stations? In this video we will look at some of the best soldering stations on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Weller WLC 140 watt soldering station. The Weller WLC 140 watt soldering iron kit is a trusted, cost-effective solution for beginners, hobbyists, and seasoned DIYers who need dependable heat and consistent results. With a power output of 40 watts and a temperature range that reaches up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit, this soldering iron delivers the flexibility you need for a wide variety of applications, from stained glass and jewelry to home electronics and repair work. Designed with simplicity in mind, the WLC 100 offers excellent ease of use, 4.25/5, and impressive performance, 4.5/5, backed by outstanding value, 4.75/5. While it doesn't include a digital display, its intuitive adjustable control dial allows you to quickly find the right heat level for each project. In testing, leaded solder flowed smoothly at setting 2, approximates 600 degrees Fahrenheit, while lead-free solder worked well at setting 3, approximates 650 degrees Fahrenheit. Higher settings provide the extra heat needed for larger joints or quick heat transfer on delicate electronic components. This kit includes an ST3 soldering tip, ideal for larger soldering tasks. For fine detail work such as PCB soldering, the tip is fully interchangeable, simply swap in a narrower tip to suit your needs. The sturdy stand offers safe storage between uses and includes a cleaning sponge to keep your tip in top condition. Although the cord is slightly less flexible than newer Weller models, it remains durable and easy to manage. Whether you're tackling stained glass or assembling electronics, the Weller WLC 100 is a reliable tool that delivers consistent, precise heating at a budget-friendly price. Number 2. Yihua 853D2, a USB SMD soldering iron station. The Yihua 75 watt soldering and hot air rework station is the ultimate toolkit for electronics enthusiasts, technicians, and hobbyists who demand precision, versatility, and professional-level performance. Designed for detailed PCB work and small joint projects, this comprehensive station offers everything you need for soldering, desoldering, and circuit repair, all in one powerful setup. Delivering up to 75 watts of power, the soldering iron reaches 392 degrees Fahrenheit to 896 degrees Fahrenheit, while the hot air gun offers a wide heating range of 212 degrees Fahrenheit to 896 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you complete control over a variety of materials and components. With outstanding scores in ease of use, 4.5/5, performance, 4.75/5, and value, 4.75/5, this station brings high-end functionality at a budget-friendly price point. Unboxing is a delight thanks to an impressive array of accessories: 10 interchangeable soldering tips, a hot air rework gun, a voltmeter, a desoldering pump, and even a roll of lead-free solder to get you started immediately. Whether you're correcting a solder mistake or assembling delicate components, the accurate digital temperature display ensures consistent results. Leaded solder flows at around 600 degrees Fahrenheit and lead-free at approximately 650 degrees Fahrenheit. The flexible cord offers excellent maneuverability, while the sturdy stand keeps your iron secure between tasks. Though the hot air gun could benefit from a more precise nozzle, it effectively liquefies solder for clean removal using the included pump. For DIYers, technicians, and anyone involved in electronics repair or assembly, the Yihua rework station is a powerful, reliable, and feature-rich solution that takes your soldering capabilities to the next level. Number 3. Smith Air/Acet Kit. Turn up the heat and unlock professional-level metalwork with the Smith Air/Acetylene Silversmith soldering torch, capable of reaching an impressive 4,770 degrees Fahrenheit depending on the tip you choose. Engineered for jewelers, metalsmiths, and serious DIY crafters, this precision torch delivers the extreme temperatures required for soldering copper, silver, gold, and other metals, far beyond what traditional electric soldering irons can achieve. With excellent ratings for ease of use, 4.75/5, performance, 4.5/5, and value, 4.5/5, this tool provides reliable, high-powered versatility at a compelling price. The kit includes a flexible hose, flow pressure gauges, a manual striker, and a number 00 tip designed for delicate soldering tasks. While this fine tip is perfect for intricate jewelry work, the torch is not intended for low-temperature projects like PCB soldering. To operate, simply connect the torch to an acetylene tank, sold separately, adjust the brass regulator knob to the recommended 12 to 14 psi, and ignite using the included striker. The torch automatically blends oxygen with the acetylene for a clean, efficient burn that transitions from a soft, whisper-quiet flame to a powerful, focused heat with a simple twist of the handle. During testing with silver solder, which melts around 1200 degrees Fahrenheit, the torch delivered fast, consistent heat, allowing solder to flow smoothly into seams within seconds. Upgrading to a larger tip, such as the number 03, provides even greater heating capacity for thicker metals or larger pieces. Ideal for jewelry making, metalsmithing, and even light plumbing applications, the Smith Silversmith torch is a compact yet powerful tool. Just remember to turn off the tank when you're finished. Number 4. X-Tronic 3060 Pro ST ACC 75W Soldering Iron Station. The X-Tronic 3060 Pro ST ACC soldering station is designed for makers, hobbyists, and electronics enthusiasts who want a powerful, reliable, and user-friendly soldering setup. Delivering 75 watts of heating power, this soldering iron reaches temperatures from 392 degrees Fahrenheit to 896 degrees Fahrenheit in as little as 30 seconds, allowing you to get to work quickly and maintain steady heat throughout your project. The bright digital display ensures temperatures are easy to monitor and adjust, giving you complete control and confidence while soldering delicate components or small metal parts. One of the standout features of the 3060 Pro ST ACC is its built-in helping hands system, featuring 2 adjustable arms that securely hold your workpiece in place. These hands-free supports are invaluable when your full attention and both hands are needed to apply solder and guide the iron with precision. Whether you're joining fine wires, assembling electronics, or securing small metal pieces at specific angles, these helpers make complex tasks significantly easier. The station also includes a convenient holder for a tip cleaner, sold separately, and a dedicated space for a wet sponge, promoting proper tip maintenance for smooth solder flow and long-lasting performance. While the kit doesn't include extra tips, keeping the included one clean ensures optimal results. With its fast heat-up time, precision temperature control, and thoughtful design features, the X-Tronic 3060 Pro ST ACC is a highly efficient, enjoyable tool for anyone serious about elevating their soldering projects. Number 5. Yihua 939D Plus Digital Soldering Station. The Yihua 939D Plus 75-watt digital soldering station is an excellent choice for DIYers, hobbyists, and repair enthusiasts who prefer working with lead-free solder and need reliable, consistent heat. Delivering 75 watts of power and a broad temperature range of 392 degrees Fahrenheit to 896 degrees Fahrenheit, this station heats quickly and provides more than enough thermal capacity to liquefy lead-free solder with ease. To help you get started right away, Yihua even includes a roll of lead-free solder in the kit. The package comes with 3 interchangeable soldering tips, allowing you to match the right tip to each task, from fine PCB work to slightly larger electronic joints. These tips are fully replaceable, ensuring long-term usability and consistent performance. A soldering tip cleaner is also included, an essential tool for maintaining clean, oxidation-free tips and achieving strong, reliable lead-free solder joints. As a streamlined alternative to Yihua's more advanced soldering and rework station, the 939D Plus offers the same high-quality heating performance but without the added hot air gun or voltmeter. This makes it ideal for users who don't require rework capabilities and want to save money without sacrificing temperature accuracy or build quality. Featuring a clear digital display, stable heat output, and dependable construction, the Yihua 939D Plus is a top-tier everyday soldering station. Whether you're repairing electronics, building circuits, or learning the craft, this compact, efficient unit provides everything you need for smooth, precise, lead-free soldering.